Yo, you won't believe this. It's actually snowing in Ghana. First time ever. Thanks to AI.
Can you imagine? Snow in Ghana, like real snow. AI really made this happen. Come, let me show you everything. So thanks to Al, it is snowing in Ghana for the first time ever. Let me show you how it was done.
It's snowing in Ghana. Sounds impossible, right? Well, thanks to AI, not anymore. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I created this scene using Google VEO 3. You'll learn how to use both text to video and frames to video inside the Google Flow platform, step by step. If you're looking to create longer AI videos or want to build seamless transitions between scenes, make sure to watch this tutorial all the way through. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Google Flow platform. Once you're logged in, click New Project and then select Text to Video. Before we begin generating, make sure you have some credits left. Google usually gives you 400 credits per month for the free plan, and each high-quality VEO 3 video costs 100 credits, so use them wisely. Now let's generate the snow in Ghana scene. Paste your prompt into the text box. Here's what I used. Wide-angle view of a small Ghanaian village covered in snow. Early morning light, gentle snowfall, realistic texture, cinematic atmosphere, with sound. Once your prompt is ready, go to Settings. Set your model to VEO 3 quality for the best audio and visuals. Then click Generate. This will cost 100 credits and take a few minutes to process, but the result is usually worth it. While your video is generating in Flow, let's switch to Gemini. You can also use Gemini to generate VEO 3 videos. Sometimes it gives you alternate versions of the same prompt, which is useful when you want variations. Paste the same prompt into Gemini, click Generate, and wait for it to process. Once both videos are ready, you can compare them and decide which one fits your project best. I personally prefer Flow for continuity and Gemini for variety. Now let's extend the video with a second scene to make it longer. Back in Flow, click Add to Scene on your first video. Then scroll down to the timeline and drag the playhead to the final frame of your video. Click the plus icon to take a screenshot of the last frame. It will save it as a reference image. Next, click on that image and you'll be taken to Frames to Video. This allows you to create a smooth transition from the previous clip. Now take your original prompt and slightly modify it. Change the lighting, camera angle, or weather intensity to show natural progression. Keep it simple, then click Generate and let the new scene render. Once the second scene is done, drag it into your timeline. If the transition feels jumpy or disjointed, no problem. Trim the clip slightly using the handles at the end of the timeline. You can cut the first or last few seconds for a smoother transition. This is where Flow really shines. You can build longer form AI videos without starting from scratch every time. Sometimes, VEO 3 has a few quirks. Here's what to watch out for. Missing audio. Occasionally, your video might render without sound. If that happens, you'll need to regenerate it. Yes, you lose credits, but it's a known bug. Model switching. Sometimes Flow will silently switch from VEO 3 to VEO 2. Double-check your settings before each generation to avoid lower quality outputs. Delayed downloads. After rendering, the download may take a while. Be patient. It's still processing in the background. Gemini is great for standalone clips, but if you want to create a connected sequence of scenes like a short film, Flow is the better option. It gives you timeline control, the ability to reference previous scenes, and more consistency between clips. So that's how I use Google VEO 3 inside Flow to create a snowy day in Ghana with text prompts and zero editing software. Want to take it even further? In my next video, I'll show you how I created 3D animation using a single image and camera movement inside VEO 3. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment with what scene you're planning to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.